Math Genie.
In this video, I'll be explaining how to solve basic card problems. Let's look at the question. What is the probability of selecting a heart, then a club from a standard shuffle deck with replacement? So, before we answer this question, you must already have a prior knowledge about standard deck of cards. So, standard deck of cards consists of 52 cards or 4 suits. What makes up the 4 suits? You have spades, clubs, which are known as the black cards, and then we have hearts and diamonds, which are the red ones, right? And each of these 4 suits has 13 cards in total. So you have ace, regular number cards, and then the face cards, jack, queen, and king. There's 1 ace, 9 regular number cards, and then 3 face cards, which makes up the 13 cards. 13 cards per suit. There are 4 suits in total, 52 cards in total. This is the prior knowledge that you must already have before answering any card problems. And since these type of problems are very, very frequently tested in math competitions, you must expect to see at least one card problem at a competition. So let's move on to actually answering the question. So the question is asking for you to find a probability of selecting a heart, which is the first probability that we have to calculate, and then a club from a standard deck of cards, and it says with replacement. And this is indicating what? Independent probability questions. And you must already know from my last 2 videos that with replacement is talking about independent probability questions, and without replacement is talking about dependent problems. So let's move on and solve the question. So the probability of selecting a heart from a standard shuffle deck, remember there are 52 cards in total. So in the denominator, we're going to have 52, which is the total number of cards we can choose from. How many hearts are in those 52 cards? 13, remember, 4 suits, diamond, heart, spades, and clubs. And there are 13 hearts in a standard deck of cards. And then it says with replacement, so you're going to be replacing the card that you pull out. So you're going to end up with the same number, 52 at the denominator for the club one. The probability of selecting a club from the second remains as 13 because there are a total of 13 clubs in a standard deck of cards. So this is basically going to be the simple expression that you'll be reducing to get your answer. What can you do here? You can reduce this each fraction to 1/4. So you're left with simple expression 1/4 times 1/4, which is 1/16. So the answer to this question is 1/16. This type of problem may seem daunting at first. However, if you just know the concept, you must be good to go. Thank you for staying until the end of this video.
Math Genie.